It's a wrap for 2024. So let's look back at the year for Sceptre. Since we launched on June 6th, 2,400 stakers trusted us with 900 million flare. Thanks to you, we've added to the pool 164,444,246 flare. You can see these rewards in the value of your S flare. One S flare equals around 1.24 flare, and this value will keep growing. Speaking of growing, the list of protocols using S flare is larger than ever, and S flare's market cap ends 2024 at over $20 million. 2,400 of you are staked on Sceptre, but many more follow us closely. 4,800 on X, 740 on Telegram, 570 on Discord, and 300 on YouTube. And many tune in every couple of weeks to watch the Flare Factor. More than 111,000 views on X and more than 6,000 views on YouTube. Thank you for being part of this incredible year. We can't wait to see what 2025 has in store.